All right, family, I want to show you today that my nephew is, how old are you?
8 years old.
And he's going to be showing you how to mark up a chart today. Most people think that when it comes to marking up charts, it's very difficult, but my nephew is going to show you how it's done. So what's your name?
My name's Kaden, and I'm going to be marking the chart.
All right, sir. Ball's in your court. What's the name of the strategy?
Above and below.
Okay.
So first, I need to get a horizontal line. And I have to find the highest point, which is right there,
How do you know it's the highest point?
because nothing else is going above it.
Perfect.
Right now, I need to find the lowest point. So how I can know it's the lowest point to see if there's nothing else going below it, and there's nothing else going below it. So I place it right here. So now we need to get the fib retracement. Place it at the top line, and then you place it at the bottom line. Alright, so now we have the current market price right here. And so what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to get a horizontal line. And we're going to have to place it at this very top line. There's no creating lines. You have to place it at the line that you already have. So then we have it at this top line. And now we're going to get another horizontal line. And we're going to place it right here. Alright, so now what you do is you go to the add alert. And if it's above, you put crossing up. If it's below, you put crossing down. But so right now I'm on crossing up, so I'm going to put it on crossing up. And then you put once per bar. And then you go all the way down to alert name. So the alert is going up, so I'm going to go put buy. And you got to press create. So now, go to the bottom line. Go to add alert, crossing down because it's below, once per bar, and alert name, sell. And that is how you mark the chart.
So what do we do now after you set your alerts?
You have to wait until the alert comes to any one of your devices that you have it connected to.
Okay, so the above means if it crosses above, what we doing?
We're buying.
If it crosses below, what we're doing?
Selling.
Okay, and what's that hard?
Nope.
All right, how old are you again, Kaden?
8 years old.
All right, so what should people do if they want to learn how to trade?
They should get help and then play with it a little bit, and then when you understand it, you should try like doing what I just did.
Perfect. So y'all heard it from my 8-year-old nephew himself. And if you're looking to learn how to trade even more, just go ahead and contact me and let me know. My information will be in the description of this video. And we do have a youth academy. So just like how Kaden right here was able to learn this, you can learn this too. So make sure you follow us, and we will see you all in the next video.
Bye.
Need your help.